Good morning. My name is Jacqueline Morosco of Spirited Practice, and today is day 7 of Healing Sounds for You and the Planet. And as I was sitting this morning thinking about what sounds I wanted to offer to you, it really came to me that this would be a little bit more of a meditation. And so just sit and take a couple of nice breaths and settle into your seat. And as you're settling in, noticing how you're feeling, noticing how it feels to breathe in, where that breath goes in your body, and then as you're breathing out, just releasing anything that is causing you tension in your mind, in your body, in your spirit. And the sounds that I'd like to offer you today are sounds that you might do silently. And of course, you can always do sound aloud or silently or in a whisper. But these ones, because I'm going to have you make a sound on the inhale, so it kind of has to be done silently, because one of the things with chanting is you want to breathe in when you're not making sound and breathe out as you are. So the sounds that I'd like to offer you today, inhaling the sound so, and exhaling the sound hum. Inhale so, exhale hum. Inhale so, exhale hum. So, hum. So, 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 and you can continue with the sounds as long as it feels good. And one of the things, like especially with the sound hum, and the M sound, like the I want you to really enjoy that. So you're breathing in, thinking so, exhaling, thinking hum, or making that sound hum out loud. Hum. So, hum. Just sitting with the vibration in your head and your body and noticing how you feel. It's kind of like repeating, I am, I am, I am, I am. So have a wonderful day, and these are going to keep coming again as long as I'm inspired, and hopefully you're here because you're getting some benefit out of the sounds. And if it does nothing else, it will bring you to the present moment and to connect you with your body and ground you down to the earth. And so have a great day. I'm Jacqueline Morosco of Spirited Practice. Subscribe if you want to keep receiving these at 9 a.m. Mountain Time every morning. And if you're interested in knowing more about me or the work that I do, you can find me at spiritedpractice.com. Namaste.